In today's dynamic world, financial success might seem like a far-fetched goal, especially with constant economic fluctuations. However, financial freedom doesn't have to be elusive. It simply requires some straightforward rules and a consistent commitment to them. This video distills key principles from a variety of financial advice sources into a set of simple rules for achieving financial success. 1. Understand your financial situation. The first step towards financial success is having a clear understanding of your current financial status. This involves assessing your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It is only by comprehending where you stand that you can make informed decisions about your financial future. Regularly review and update your financial status, as this is not a one-time process, but an ongoing exercise. 2. Establish a budget and stick to it. Budgeting is a critical aspect of financial success. Without a proper budget, you risk overspending, which can lead to financial hardships. A budget enables you to distinguish between your needs and wants, thereby promoting disciplined spending. Additionally, it allows you to set aside a specific amount for savings and investments. As you stick to your budget, you cultivate a habit of prudent spending, which is key to achieving financial success. 3. Save and invest. The importance of saving cannot be overemphasized. Every financial planning discussion advocates for saving as a fundamental building block towards financial independence. Saving ensures you have a financial safety net for emergencies and a nest egg for your future. But saving alone is not enough. Investing is the means by which you make your savings work for you, creating additional income streams and ensuring growth in your wealth over time. 4. Understand the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein once referred to compound interest as the eighth wonder of the world. Understanding and utilizing the power of compound interest can significantly enhance your financial success. By reinvesting the interest you earn, your wealth grows exponentially over time. The key to benefiting from compound interest is starting early and staying consistent. 5. Prioritize debt management. The prudent management of debt is an essential component of financial success. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly become a crippling financial burden if not managed correctly. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first and avoid incurring unnecessary debt. Always remember, not all debt is bad. Strategic debt, such as a mortgage or student loans, can be beneficial if managed effectively. 6. Diversify your investments. Diversification reduces your investment risk by spreading your money across different asset classes. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, others might, thereby minimizing potential losses. A well-diversified portfolio can be a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles, depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals. 7. Make retirement planning a priority. Planning for retirement is not something you should postpone until your later years. Start early to maximize the benefits of compound interest and provide ample time for your retirement fund to grow. Contributing regularly to your retirement account ensures you have a comfortable life post-retirement. 8. Maintain a good credit score. Your credit score is a crucial factor when you're applying for loans or credit cards. Maintaining a good credit score can help you get better interest rates, saving you a considerable amount of money in the long run. Make sure to pay your bills on time and try to keep your credit utilization low. 9. Constantly learn about money management. Financial literacy is an ongoing process. The economic landscape is always changing, and so are financial strategies and products. Stay updated with financial news, learn about new investment opportunities, and regularly review your financial plan. 10. Ensure adequate insurance coverage. Insurance is a safety net that protects you from unforeseen financial setbacks. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, life, and property insurance, to shield yourself from potential financial drains. Remember, financial success is not achieved overnight. It is the result of consistent, disciplined efforts directed towards clear financial goals. By adhering to these simple rules, you can pave the path towards a secure financial future.